Namaste dear children. Let's start our today's maths class with a new rhymes. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian boy. So, let's begin our class. Today, we are going to learn comparison of numbers, that is less than, greater than and equal to. So, let's start. Today, in comparison of numbers, we are going to learn greater than. This is the symbol of greater than. You can show with your fingers like this. This is greater than symbol. Now, with a small and simple activity, I am going to compare the numbers. Here some objects are there which I have arranged. First of all, I have kept some cups. How many cups are this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have placed the number 6 here. And this side, how many cups I have kept? 1, 2. So I have placed the number 2 here. Now you can see on which side cups are more. Obviously this side. So 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. To show it, we will place the greater than symbol in between. This is the greater than symbol. Now you can say 6 is greater than 2. Now move on to the next object. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bowls are here. And on this side 1 bowl. This side 4 bowls and this side 1 bowl. Now we can say 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1 because here there are more bowls and here there is only 1 bowl. So to show it, we will place the greater than symbol in between. Now you can say 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. Now move on to the next. Here there are 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have placed the number 5 here. Now here there are only 2 pencils. 1, 2. So number 2 is here. Now we can say 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Now we are going to put the greater than symbol. Now we can say 5 is greater than 2. Let us move to another object. Here there are some blocks. This side I have placed 7 blocks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This side 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks. Now which one is greater? 7. So I am going to put the greater than symbol in between. Now we can say 7 is greater than 3. 7 is greater than 3. Now I have placed some sketch pens here. How many sketch pens I have placed this side? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And this side I have placed 4 sketch pens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am going to place the greater than symbol in between. Now we can say 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. Hope with this simple activity you have understood what is greater than.